When dealing with victim packaging, and we're working in level 1 trenches, 8 foot of depth or less, typically utilizing high directionals, bipods, tripods, ladder assemblies with haul systems, in our perspective, that's a lot of overkill. A simple 4-point attachment to the Stokes basket with paired lifters on each line is more than adequate and applies a lot of safety and redundancy when you pair up your haulers. So basically we're going to take large ropes or roughly half inch rope. They can be accessory lines, attach them to the Stokes basket. We're going to put a hauler on each one with a tender. When each individual hauls up, his tender is going to reset on the rope and then he's going to haul up. So you're trading off hauls. You have a minimal load capacity per each guy, so the lifts really aren't that challenging. One of the other things that we want to talk about is the orientation of the Stokes or the packaging element and how we tend that victim effectively once he gets to the top side. So if you've built an inside whale, you have lots of room to work. You can keep the victim packaged flat. We typically don't need any additional lashing. The 3 simple straps across the front will suffice, provided you don't have a real narrow setting. So if you've thrown in timber whales and your opening to get the victim out and through is narrower than the width dimension of your Stokes, then you're going to have to tilt that victim to their side. If you're tilting the victim to their side for an orientation to pass through the whales, you're going to have to do some external lashing. Otherwise, put the 3 straps on, put the 4 attachment points on, and haul the victim up to the top side. Some pre-arrangement things that will make this an easier and faster process are to place some slide boards across the top of the panels. By putting those slide boards in approximately where the head and the feet are going to be out on the Stokes basket, as you bring the load up, you can bring the head up slightly higher than the feet and then work it out onto that slide board, lift up the feet, and then glide that other slide board under the feet. That enables you to capture the victim where we typically might lose the victim. So right when we get to the top of the haul and we have no more room to lift, being able to capture that victim over the trench and secure them so that we can get reoriented on bridging, or then tilt our bridging slides, articulating the victim towards us and allowing us to do an easy lift out over the popsicle sticks or the strong backs on the trench panels. Those little tricks of the trade will help your level 1 type trench removals be very fast, be very efficient, and very effective.
All right, got one more strap over there? Here. Flip this one up. Flip this one up. Go ahead, get the head up and then we'll go over this. That's what I said. Send the 3 into the ring coming this afternoon.
As soon as they get debrief them, unbaby, and then have them disassemble. And then
Street side.
yeah, so just help to over there.
Mike, just keep your head up.
Hold on, because they're going to come in. Yeah. Lift up on over. Somebody on the other side take that really good jump.